This is a 2013 Dodge Challenger, pushing the limits of automotive excellence. It features a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include keyless go, the Uconnect infotainment system, hill start assist, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, a power driver's seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped shift knob, front and rear floor mats, side curtain airbags, air conditioning with automatic climate control, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile is clearly a fuel-efficient choice. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.